Adding a menu bar with an open file menu item. Changing the height of the menu bar. Height has changed, but the text does not fit vertically. Changing the font size for menu bar item. The size hasn't changed. First, let's locate the default styles file generic.xaml. We need to find the style for menu bar item in this file. Let's copy the style and paste it into the app.xaml file of our application. Remove the controls prefix from the style. Add a style key at the beginning of the style tag. Add the attribute X key with the value default menu bar item. Add new properties. Inside the style, add the following setters for the properties: font size and padding. Update the padding for the content button. Replace the existing padding definition for the content button. Bind font size for the content button. Add a font size binding to the content button definition. To apply a style to a menu bar, add the style attribute and specify a value that references a style resource defined in the application's resources.